जब जब दर्द का बादल छाया, जब गम का साया लहराया, जब आंसू पलकों तक आया, जब ये तन्हा दिल घबराया, हमने दिल को ये समझाया, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है, दुनिया में यूं ही होता है। ये जो गहरे सन्नाटे हैं, वक्त ने सबको ही बांटे हैं। थोड़ा गम है सबका किस्सा, थोड़ी धूप है सबका हिस्सा। आग तेरी बेकार ही नम है, हर पल एक नया मौसम है। क्यों तू ऐसे पल खोता है, दिल आखिर तू क्यों रोता है।
So it's 11:22 and still we are 180 kilometers far from Kasol. अभी यहाँ पे चाय और पकौड़ा खाने रुके and पीछे मेरे बॉयज़ हैं, इनके साथ ट्रिप है। I will introduce them later on. अभी से पहले चाय पीते हैं, फिर कसौल मिलते हैं। Till then, bye. So guys, finally we have reached Kasol and it's 7:30 in the morning. Just in front of me is Chalaal bridge, world famous Chalaal bridge, and let me give you a quite view of it. ऐसे मज़ा नहीं आ रही है, तो सिनेमैटिक्स में आते हैं, ठीक है। 3, 2, 1।
This time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away.
So we are done with Chalaal bridge. It was good. It's worth coming here, and his friend guided us. You know. Oh, nice experience, man.
A few moments later.
Heading to nowhere, as I told you, but sometimes with trekking with no destination is the real trekking. So far so good. See you soon. Bye bye.
But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it.
So we are done with Chalaal and now we are heading to Kasol market to have something, as we are hungry as fuck. So first we will go there and eat something, then our final destination where we will be staying today at Lapa village. We'll do a trek from Kasol to Lapa. So Chalaal was good, it was worth coming here. कुछ खाते हैं फिर ट्रैक करेंगे, क्योंकि उससे पहले जान नहीं है और सनराइज़ थोड़ी सी आ गई है, थोड़ी राहत है। तो सो फार सो गुड, सी यू सून गाइस। We escaped. We are stuck. We are stuck here. Manish, do something, man. Oh, Azim found the way. Okay. So it's like that. Oh, so I have to walk on this. Oof. Oh my god. Every rock is shaky, you know? Every rock, every single rock is shaky.
We don't feel like it.
Let me tell you why is this being difficult for me, because this is my first trek ever in my life, so it's very difficult for a guy like me who's been a virgin to trekking, but a guy like him, the guy with the red pants, Manish, he's been to Kasol many times, been to many villages in Kasol like Grahan, Chalaal, Manikaran and all. So it's a piece of cake for him. For a guy like me, it's killing, man. So far so good. See you guys.
Leaving and on and on.
So back to the same point where we started the Chalaal journey. Now we are heading to Lapa via Manikaran. That will be, you know, that will be in next parts of the vlog. So if you guys like this video, you know what to do and when to do and how often to do. So keep supporting. See you in the next vlog. Take care, bye bye, and peace out from Kasol. Bye.
We don't feel like it.